This will be a major step forward in India's energy security. During the Prime Minister's visit to Australia, both countries finalized arrangements enabling the supply of uranium. This will be used strictly for peaceful purposes and will remain under IAEA safeguards as provided under the Australia-India Nuclear Cooperation Agreement of 2015. The arrangement allows private Australian uranium mining companies to sign commercial contracts with Indian private companies and joint ventures, made possible by the Shanti Act of December 2025, which opened India's nuclear sector to private players. Why is this significant? It comes at a time of energy supply concerns following the US-Israel attack on Iran, pushing India to diversify its energy sources. Australia holds more than one-fourth of the world's uranium reserves, making this partnership extremely valuable. Here's an important point for males. Australia traditionally restricted uranium exports to countries with bilateral safeguards agreements and generally avoided exporting to non-NPT countries. India is not a signatory to the Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty, but it signed an IAEA safeguards agreement in 2008. Following the India-US Civil Nuclear Deal, the Nuclear Suppliers Group granted India a waiver, which became the basis for civil nuclear cooperation with countries like Australia. For prelims, remember, the Australia-India Nuclear Cooperation Agreement was signed in 2014 and entered into force in 2015, and the Energy Waiver of 2008 allowed India to engage in global civil nuclear commerce despite being outside the NPT. This is your 1-minute update on India-Australia Uranium Cooperation. For more such simplified UPSC and PCS content, follow Maharshi Kashyap Academy.